So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba mag-dark mode sa ating Roblox app. But first, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start! So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang muna natin ang ating Roblox app. Then pagka-open guys, mula dito sa homepage ng ating pinakang account, i-tap nyo lang dito yung more na nasa may lower part. So tap lang natin. And ayan, automatic mapupunta tayo sa more or sa settings ng ating Roblox app. So i-scroll up lang natin guys and hanapin nyo ulit dito yung settings. Then tap. Then pagka-tap mula dito sa settings, ang itatap naman natin is yung account info or account information. So, dito naman sa account information, i-scroll up lang ulit natin. So, hanggang dito sa may babagay sa may team. So, hanapin nyo yung light dito sa may team, then tap lang natin. And may magpa-pop up na option guys. So, dito nalalabas yung dark mode option. So, ang gagawin lang natin, i-tap natin yung dark para yun yung mag-enable. And kung makikita nyo naman guys, nag-dark mode na yung ating Roblox app. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba mag-dark mode sa ating Roblox. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.